Welcome back, folks. This week we carry on our 48 hours in Sussex, waking up at Beachy Head, so let's go. Waking up, we got ready, and then we attempted to use our electric coffee grinder with our Jackery. How did it go? Turns out it was more than fine. Yeah. Where's Mummy? Go get her. Good morning.
Morning.
Hey. So we've woken up here at our little park up at the Beachy Head. There it is, the Beachy Head pub. Had a lovely night here, didn't we, Kez?
Had a lovely night. Just found that there's toilets 100 yards away.
Yeah, which we weren't aware of yesterday, but
It's always exciting. Yeah, it's a gorgeous night here, wasn't it? Really quiet. There's a few people still walking late evening, which is quite nice, isn't it? Some people.
Up to about 9, but then it was dead, wasn't it, really?
Yeah, completely.
One motorhome in our little car park we stayed in.
Yeah.
So we were pretty much to ourselves. Just on a little walk, aren't we?
Yeah.
Walking Frank off the lead. Just there. There's no one's around. And then today, I think we might maybe head towards like Birling Gap sort of way. Don't know if we'll go to the beach.
It's meant to get to 27 this afternoon. 27 at 4 o'clock. I suppose that's because the sun goes down later, isn't it?
Warm.
Very warm.
Yeah, we've got like a fun packed day, haven't we?
A fun packed day.
Yeah, a few walks, a bit of sunshine, haven't we? It's a little bit of info about here. So you've got Beachy Head. There's a lighthouse there that people live in, or I think you can rent to stay in, and then there's another lighthouse down below. So there's a few things you can come and have a look at here, and lovely walks along the cliff tops. Be careful about getting too close to the edge because I think they are falling away. So
There's also, it's 1 mile, if you go the other direction from the lighthouses, it's only 1 mile walk to Eastbourne seafront.
yeah, and then I don't know how far from where we are, but it's like a 47-minute walk to Birling Gap if you want to get to the beach. And if you want to walk to Preston Forest from here, I think it was a 2-hour walk.
That's not bad though, is it?
That's not bad, is it?
No.
Loads of lovely footpaths here, miles of walks. You can end up at Eastbourne, or I mean probably, I think the South Coast path is along here, so runs along the edge of all the cliffs and that, so you can sort of probably follow that probably all the way back to Brighton where we live.
Quite a few bikers along, isn't there?
Yeah, loads of bikers,
Especially
loads of
the electric
walkers.
bikes.
Yeah, they look fun, don't they?
They look so much fun. Get Frank a little pull along or a little basket. We'll be off.
And I've also just spied this. This is quite good. This is what we found in Scotland, isn't it? Free drinking water at the Beachy Head pub. Wicked. Left our park up. We're going to treat ourselves with a cheeky McDonald's coffee now. Let's get on with it and crack on with the day.
Not a tea latte as well, please.
How's your McDonald's, Kez? Yeah, the champions. VANLIFE's dream, isn't it? This. We finished up at McDonald's and headed for the beach, off to Birling Gap. After a chill out and almost getting our stuff washed away, we jumped back in the van and headed off for our next stop. Frank had knackered himself out of the beach, so he had a little chill out. Of course he did. Pulling up to Firle Place, it was nice and sunny, but we had a great little breeze. Packed up a bag, locked up the van, and headed off for a walk. The views up here are truly epic. Nice little 360 view from at the top of the South Downs. So, Kes, what we got going on here today?
Sorry.
What we got going on?
We are having a one-pot gnocchi lasagna.
Yeah.
Yes, that is what we are having.
Excellent.
It's really not fancy. We've got no onions. We're going with garlic granules, paprika, chili powder, maybe a hint of Cajun spicing. Not sure yet. Stock, passata.
Exciting times. I am really looking forward to this. It looks mental.
That looks delightful, doesn't it? Oh, and then melted cheese on top.
Yeah. Let's see how this goes. As dinner was cooking, we thought it was time to press around and try and take a thumbnail picture. Here's adding the next layer of excellence.
A one-pot lasagna. I got it off of, well, I'm not going to sully their recipe because theirs is way better and got way more interesting parts, but that VANLIFE Eats.
Ah.
Very cool channel. You get loads of like van recipes and they're really nice guys. Yeah, thanks guys, it's a great recipe.
Yeah, this is
they normally don't do the cheese slices. I've made before the gooey sauce, like cheese, you put mozzarella in it and some red Leicester and it's really gooey and really, really nice. As I say, way more fancy than this. This is like a lazy budget version of it. But yeah, check out their Instagram, VANLIFE Eats. Oh. We'll put the link in the description. Oh. And then you can get the proper recipe, it's much nicer.
Oh.
It's gonna work.
Casey's Kitchen, what's the verdict?
It may look disgusting, but it tastes banging.
Yeah.
The paprika in it, oh.
Let's get stuck in. So you pick us up, we're here at Firle Beacon for the evening. Lovely sunset unfolding at the moment, isn't it?
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
A bit misty, but beautiful.
Yeah, car park's filling up. So yeah, heat wave update. As you can see, we've, well, I've got a jumper on at the moment. Like early evening here. The heat wave never really sort of happened, I don't think. It was quite hot yesterday, to be fair. We've had a nice light bit of wind today, haven't we, to keep us cool.
Have. I just keep looking at the floor because there's cowpats everywhere. But yeah, it's been nice because there's been a breeze, isn't it? So it's been warm, but there's been a lovely breeze. So yeah, it's been pretty chilled.
But yeah, we've had a couple of little walks. Tried to walk Frank earlier, but it's a bit too hot for him, bless him.
Right,
so
and he also likes to eat cowpat. I don't know if anyone else's dog does that. Frank likes to eat poo of all kind. It's delightful sometimes.
Hopefully we're going to see a nice sunset later, maybe a nice sunrise tomorrow.
If you like the looks of this park up, then check out our very first ever vlog when we did a 24-hour stay here.
Yeah.
So we go into it in a little bit more detail at the
the thingy up here. That's it for this week, isn't it?
Yeah, I think that ends the episode. I think we're going to go off early tomorrow morning. So for the rest of the evening we've had dinner. We're just going to chill, watch the sunset, and then
look at the views.
Wake up early tomorrow and head off.
And you know it's time for...
If you've enjoyed this video, then please give us a thumbs up. And if you want to join along and subscribe, that would mean so much to us. And yeah, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Chat to us. Leave us a comment. We want to chat with you guys. And yeah, anyway, I'm babbling.
Until next time. Bye for now.